parts are in finally. I've been waiting 3 weeks for the turbo inlet pipe. Let's get this Audi off of the jack stands finally. I believe this one here is going to be the steering rack from eBay. $240, I believe. This is a remanufactured unit from eBay, because if you go with a new Bosch steering rack, it's like $800. And I'm not doing that. I just want something to be able to drive my car. So for $240 on eBay, you can get a remanufactured unit. It don't look too bad. Bring up the old one so we can get a side-by-side comparison. It does come, this unit anyways, came with tie rod ends. I don't know the brand, I don't know the condition. They look pretty nice though. Nice and tight. Grab this old one and get a side-by-side comparison. The old one still has some shields on it, but well, I see one thing different already. Oh, it's just a mount. Yeah, other than this shield and this mount, everything looks to be pretty close to the same. So these here, got these ones on eBay too. These are all the cast aluminum fitting, coolant fittings. They did come over from eBay, but they should be better than the plastic ones that we got in the car from factory. They do look of pretty good quality. We'll see how long they hold up. I don't even think they were that expensive. They were like $20. Some of them come with gaskets, a couple O-rings. The only downside to buying this kit was it came from China and it took forever to get over here. So this is Eurologic Fab and Design adjustable control arm kit. I did open it just to check it out at first. Look at these. These things are awesome. Fully adjustable. We'll be able to get to dial in our angle and where the wheel sits in the center of the wheel well. And let's open up this other one. I don't know, for $600 you'd think they'd send a sticker or something. These are very nice parts. But for the price, you'd think that they'd want to give you a sticker or some free advertising or something. I would have loved to have a sticker from these guys. Just look at this. These things are awesome. I'm very impressed with the quality of these. It's got a good durable finish on it. The welds look really good. Somebody actually took their time to make this. I do believe these are made in the USA. Don't quote me on that. But I'm very excited to get these in the car. guys noticed when I was taking this old coolant housing off, this bolt here wasn't even tight. It did show signs of leaking on this hose here on the old piece, and then that bolt down there also showed signs of coolant drying up on it. So I'm going to look up the torque specs on these bolts, get it torqued down, get this hose put in, put the coolant temp sensor back in, and then we're going to start working on the turbo inlet pipe. I need to make my first parts run. I need to get a set of hose clamps for most of these fittings. I'm going to try and find a hose clamp kit. So this, I think, is just overflow pressure for the cooling system. And then I need to also go get a new overflow hose that connects to the top of here. I had destroyed it trying to get it off of here because it hasn't ever been off before. So I'm going to run to the store and I'll be back. Just got back from O'Reilly's. They had a hose and hose clamp kit. So I'm going to get back to putting this turbo intake pipe on. That's going to wrap up this week's video. I haven't had much time the last 2 weeks to work on it. Today was really the only day I had. Couple things. That turbo intake tube that I got off of eBay, garbage. Don't buy it. Buy a name brand one. It'll save you time in the long run. Downpipe, it's fitting fine. I got the steering rack all hooked up, whole subframes back in, and in the next video I will work on getting these lower control arms put in. I will do an actual video on how to adjust them, how to set them up, and then we will set up the steering rack, how to make it all true, and then we'll take it in for an alignment and see how far off I did on my alignment. So like, subscribe, comment if you guys are excited for this exhaust. I am. I can't wait to drive this car again. It's been too long. Stick around for other videos. Part 3 will be first Sunday in October. So yeah, peace.